we would like to give a special thanks to Just Play for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at DreamWorks Spirit Riding Free, Walking Spirit and Lucky. Whoa! Spirit can walk! On the box, it says walks, rides, sounds. You can brush and style his mane, and it looks like there are stickers so we can decorate them from the race. In this deluxe series, we also get Lucky with a new shirt. There are 7 pieces included, and it requires 4 AA batteries. Batteries included for ages 3 and up. On the back of the box, there is a large picture of Lucky and Spirit, and on the side it says, Deluxe Walking Spirit and Lucky. Lucky and Spirit never feel as free as they do when they're going fast. Whether they're racing to rescue a horse in trouble, winning a gold medal, or just feeling the wind in their hair, it's always an adventure as long as they're together. Let's get these out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we get the Spirit horse. It has a mane and tail that can be styled. It stands 13 inches tall to the top of its ear. On the side, there is a little hidden area that pops out a leg brace, so the doll can ride the horse without falling off. The doll included stands at about 11.5 inches tall. This Lucky has really soft hair. She is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. She is wearing a new shirt. It is yellow with puff sleeves, has painted details around the neck and at the bottom. And she finishes her look with brown tights and her signature boots. We also get a red treasure box that can open, a trophy with 2 different designs on the cup, a blue curry comb, a barrette, and stickers. I'm going to use the jewels to decorate the inside of the treasure box. So when Lucky opens it up, there's a surprise inside. There are even mustache stickers, so Lucky can create a disguise. I remember that episode. We can place a few stickers on Spirit, so he can have a disguise too. The box said that this was a walking spirit with sounds, so I really want to see him walk. There is a switch underneath and a button on his back to activate him. Wow, that is awesome! He moves so well. The head is bobbing and there's lots of horse sounds. And he walked for about 7 feet, so I highly suggest playing with this on the floor. Let's try it with the doll. Making sure the legs are in the braces, we push the button and away they go. When Lucky is riding the horse, she's talking as well, so that is really cool. So they walk, take a break, walk, take a break, walk, and then stop. This is my third 13-inch Spirit. We have the one that eats carrots, the one that likes to jump, and now the one that walks. I gotta say, I think this one's my favorite. Since this Spirit is 13 inches tall, I like to use him with our 10 to 12-inch dolls. I wonder if they can use the little leg braces. Yes, they can. Me and Spirit riding through the wind. Woohoo! In addition to the walking Spirit, there are new horses for the collector series. Bandit with a black mane and tail, Liberty with a beautiful ombre tail, Nibbly has cream feathers in the front and gray in the back. I like how the tail swooshes on the other side. Tambourine, this horse was a gift to Miss Flores. Crow is beautifully painted. Look at those wings and the details around the eye. And here is Tiller. I gotta say, I love this sculpt. The horse has its head down like it's grazing. And now we have 6 new horses to add to our herd. Wow, we might need bigger pastures. Some of the sculpts are reused on different models, like this spirit and tambourine, and then there are some that are completely original. Boomerang is in a league of his own. Look for these horses at major retailers, and I usually find them at Walmart and Target. Speaking of Walmart, I just found Wave 4 blind boxes. These show a red barn on the side and have blue and green stalls. These were $4.88 each, and I used my little trick of looking at the last number located on the bottom of the box to make sure I didn't get any doubles. These go 1 through 8. So let's start at number 1. Just remove the plastic and open the barn to see your horse. Is that Boomerang? Ah, he's all painted. I think this is from when the girls joined the circus. Inside, there is a collector's card where we can see all of the horses in the collection. I think that is a new sculpt of Spirit. There's a new sculpt, and we finally get Senor Carrots. In box number 2, I believe this is Governor. In number 3, we have the horse with its head down. This horse is the same sculpt as the Collector's Series, only smaller. Oh wait, I take that back. There is a difference in the front legs. This one has the leg going forward, whereas this one, it's back. So they're kind of reversed on the front legs. But I still think it's pretty cool. Number 4 is Spirit. He is rearing up and balances on his tail. Ooh, I wonder if they will make this one in the Collector's Series. Number 5 is a brown and cream colored horse. Number 6 is a brown horse with a cream mane and tail. We have 2 horses to go. This is number 7. And is it Senor Carrots? No, it is not. It is a dark gray metallic horse. So that means that number 8 has to be our favorite little donkey, Senor Carrots. Oh, isn't he the cutest? Wow, it looks just like him. Completing our Wave 4 mini horse collection. Thank you for joining us today while we took a look at what's new from Spirit Riding Free. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And that's our collection for now.